We're talking to Impact Minerals Managing Director, Dr. Mike Jones. Impact Minerals is an emerging Australian explorer targeting nickel, gold, copper and platinum group element projects. Mike, how long have you been Managing Director of Impact Minerals?
It'll be 16 years on November 6th this year.
What did you do before this?
I was the Managing Director of a consulting firm that specialised in identifying drill targets for a wide range of metals for both junior and mid-tier mining companies in Australia and overseas.
In 10 seconds, can you describe Impact Minerals' overall mission?
Yes, look, Impact is here to discover a world-class ore body. That's what we're founded on, and we want something that's similar to the recent Julimar discovery of Chalice Mining or the heavy discovery of De Grey. We're very focused here in Western Australia.
Which of Impact's projects are the most advanced?
Our Arkham project, which is located about 150 kilometres southeast of Perth, is attracting a lot of attention right now. Although it's early stage, it's really starting to deliver some outstanding results for a variety of battery and strategic, as well as for precious metals, in a region that's actually surprisingly really underexplored. What makes Impact Minerals stand out from its competitors? We've assembled a significant portfolio of grassroots exploration projects in WA over the last 18 months, and we've applied some pretty innovative thinking to our target generation, and that's really starting to deliver some early success. So we're pretty excited about what lies ahead of us. In 10 seconds, can you explain Impact Minerals' overall project portfolio? We've assembled a large portfolio, as I mentioned, over the last 18 months, mostly in the emerging mineral province of West and Southwest WA. They're prospective for a wide range of metals, but in particular copper, nickel, gold, as we discussed, but also we found significant lithium and rare earth elements in a region that is basically almost completely unexplored. Do you see copper as a battery metal? Copper has a wide range of uses in the global push that we're seeing towards electrification and renewable energy sources, both for batteries but also in wiring, to name just two of its wide range of uses. And what about nickel? Look, nickel is viewed quite rightly as a battery metal. It should be remembered that it's used as an additive in steel, and world steel demand continues to grow, so there's going to be ongoing demand for nickel across a range of industries. And what are the company's ambitions for platinum group elements? PGM isn't a main focus for us. Nickel, copper, gold and lithium would be. So we would look for joint venture partners should we find something. As an example, at present we have a joint venture on our main PGM project at Broken Hill in the eastern states, and that's with IGO Limited, and they'll be drilling there within the next 3 to 6 months. Do you think gold will continue to act as a safe haven asset through 2023? Gold is gold and will always be a store of wealth. And most people don't realise it's gone up tenfold since 1999. And despite the sideways movement in the market we've seen in recent times, this is really just part of a longer uptrend, and I think it should be mostly viewed as a tool for the preservation of wealth. The company has recently stepped away from some tenements. Why did Impact sell interest in Commonwealth? 18 months ago we made a strategic decision to focus on Western Australia following that Julimar discovery we discussed, but we've invested a lot of intellectual and financial capital on our projects in the eastern states, and so we really wish to retain an interest in them going forward. So the deal to sell Commonwealth provides us with significant upside to the project, which still needs dedicated resources to continue the drilling that's required there. Will Impact Minerals maintain a relationship with buyer Burrendong Minerals? Yes, Impact will be the largest share holder in Burrendong, subject to a listing, and we'll also have board representation. Is Impact Minerals seeking to become a lithium producer? Our main focus is nickel and copper, as we mentioned with gold, but we have found significant lithium in soil anomalies across many of our projects, and these have yet to be followed up, and we're going to do that as a matter of course as we do our exploration across the portfolio, so you never know, lithium might still be on the cards for us. What's on the cards for Impact Minerals into 2023? Our main drive at the moment is to generate enough drill targets to drill on 4 or 5 of our projects across WA, and we're very focused on that right now. How long do you anticipate exploration campaigns to last? Well, we work 12 months of the year. Interestingly, working the wheat belt in WA can be seasonal because of the cropping and harvest period, but we've got 3 other projects further north which can be accessed all year round. So we're on the ground all the time.
So far, what has market interest in Impact Minerals been like?
Oh, look, Impact has been around for some time, but our new projects are generating renewed interest in the company. We recently raised $3.2 million in a rights issue, which are literally the toughest market conditions of the year, in fact, if not the last 2 years. And look, I think that's a reflection of the widespread understanding of the quality of our projects, and it's certainly attracting investors.
What does Impact need for company growth to continue?
We need drilling success like most juniors. As I mentioned, we're looking for a world-class deposit, and the only way for that to happen is to drill. So watch this space for our drill programs.
So talking about the right here and now, what is Impact Minerals currently working on at this minute?
We're very focused on our Ark and Bow Jumbo projects. It's a contiguous area centred about 150 kilometres from Perth. It's a large area, about 2,000 square kilometres. There's been no previous drilling, and our initial soil geochemistry and geophysical surveys have identified numerous targets for follow-up work. And so we're aiming to drill those as soon as practical. In fact, we just returned from a week in the Wheatbelt doing some sampling and field checking, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be drilling there early in 2023.
Where do you see Impact Minerals in 1 year?
Well, we hope to be well into discovery mode with lots of drill rigs turning. It's as simple as that.
And what about in 5 years' time?
Well, assuming we get the exploration success we deserve, I hope to be well on the track to production, and as we look to mine what will hopefully be one of the world's great ore bodies.
Impact Minerals Managing Director, Dr. Mike Jones, thanks for your time.
Thank you.